got my friend on the phone here, and we've had a
very serious conversation.
Yeah, including talking about various things that have upset me because of the way people have treated her, and I'm really upset about that. So Star Wars is going to get punished. I've got Anakin or Vader or Palpatine or whatever the heck he is.
Grogu and Mandalorian.
Oh yes, Grogu as well. So I'm gonna hit these two together first, and I'm gonna toss Grogu, and I'm gonna see if I can't rip Vader's arm off.
Bop it to start, boy.
Okay, let's see if I can get this thing ripped off or not. I'm trying. I might maybe try to twist it off. Oh, it's tougher than I thought. Hang on. Oh, hang on a sec. I think it's coming. Oh, it's coming loose. It's coming loose. It's coming. Oh, it's almost off. The pull-it arm is almost off. I can just get a proper grip on it. It wants to come off. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Let's keep working at it until I get it off. Yeah, because it's getting looser and looser. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's definitely coming out of its. I've got it twisted around in a really strange angle. Almost. Wow. Oh, it's really loose. It's gonna come off any second, I think. It's twisting around it. Ah, it's off.
Oh.
There, he's got.
Anakin.
Yes, he has lost. He's lost both hands now. Up to the wrist.
Oh.
Yep, there he is, handless, and there's this pathetic hand with his. Oh, wow. Well, now.
Have your cake and eat it too, Vader.
Exactly. Oh. So. Yeah, and that's right. His batteries are dead too. So, well, he's gonna get tossed. Here we go.
Oh! Take that, Mr. Barfin Vader.
Yes.
Up yours.
Up yours, Star Wars.
Yeah.
And everybody else who's mistreated my friend.